It's a pleasure and honor to have you here. The opportunity to have you learn a little bit more about an initiative that has been supported by the U.S. government, educating and helping new generations of future leaders. Yamile, Alejandro, and Paula represent a group of 12 other students that are part of 2 national universities in Peru.
We want to focus on the social dimension that actually is one of the less studied, not only in the forestry sector, but also in other careers such as agriculture or fisheries. This is an important sector because 60% of our country covered by forests, and we have people living in that forest. And these people, their livelihoods depend on these forests. And when we talk about climate change, the people who are more vulnerable in the consequence of climate change are the local people. So what I hope to do when I end this master that I got from the US government is try to improve the curricula of my faculty, trying to insert the social dimension, and also I have many classmates that are also interested in this area, and what I will try to do is share as much as I can all the knowledge I am getting.
The forestry sector here in Peru can contribute to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals. First, because we have a huge diversity here in Peru that could mitigate climate change. And one example that I focus and I specialize is in the agroforestry sector here in Peru, which consists in association with trees and crops. These crops could be like cocoa, coffee, cassava, banana. So in the same unit we have a line of tree, next to it we have a line of crops, a line of tree, and so on. So what is special about this system is that in the short run the small farmers can generate incomes from the crops.
And we have a lot of challenge related to climate change. Paula said social approach of the forest, Junior Alejandro the economic approach, and for me the ecological approach of the forest. And see the connection, the connectivity, and the interaction of the forest and different species. Very important to understand what happened. Maybe we can improve our management, and the opportunity to study at OSU gives me more knowledge, tools to improve this management of the resource.
It's such important work, and yes. You know, as I mentioned before, now that the United States is back as being part of the Paris Agreement, you know, we are very anxious to partner with Peru, and precisely with emerging leaders like yourselves, because you do represent the future of this sector. This is what transforms generations that are more focused on conserving these great resources that you have here in Peru. So it's very, very important work, and we are really happy that we can partner with you.